Hey, fellow travelers, ready to embark on a journey of luxury without emptying your bank account? Let's dive right in. If you're itching for a luxurious getaway but your wallet's giving you side-eye, stick around. We've all been there, dreaming of opulent vacations while our budget screams otherwise. I've got some killer hacks to help you travel like a millionaire without breaking the bank. From choosing the right destinations to smart packing tips, we've got it all covered. First up, let's talk about destinations. Picking the right place can make all the difference. Think of places that offer luxury at a fraction of the cost. Turkey, for instance. It's a treasure trove of experiences that won't drain your savings. A hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia, pampering yourself in a traditional Turkish bath, and dining on exquisite cuisine, all for a fraction of what you'd pay in Western Europe. Imagine floating over surreal landscapes and indulging in rich cultural experiences without the hefty price tag. Now, accommodation. Forget five-star hotels. They're not the only way to experience luxury. Look for boutique hotels or luxury hostels. Yes, luxury hostels exist. These places often offer unique, stylish accommodations with all the comforts you need. Websites like Hostelworld and Booking.com can help you find gems that offer style and comfort without the hefty price tag. Next, let's talk flights. This is where you can save big if you know the tricks. Sign up for fare alerts on Skyscanner or Google Flights. These tools will notify you when prices drop so you can snag the best deals. Always search in incognito mode to avoid those sneaky price hikes. Airlines track your searches and can increase prices if they see you're interested. And be flexible with your dates. Flying midweek can save you a bundle. Avoid peak travel times and opt for off-peak seasons to get the best rates. Alright, now it's time to spill the tea on eating like royalty. Food is a huge part of the travel experience, and you don't have to spend a fortune to eat well. When in Rome, or anywhere really, avoid touristy spots. These places often charge a premium for mediocre food. Trust me, side street cafes and local markets offer authentic cuisine at a fraction of the price. Plus, you get to experience the local culture in a way that tourist traps just can't offer. Plus, you get to savor the real flavors of the place. Let's not forget activities. There are plenty of ways to enjoy your destination without spending a fortune. Use sites like Groupon or Viator for deals on tours and experiences. These platforms often have discounts on popular activities, making it easier to enjoy more for less. Often you'll find discounts on top-rated activities. This way, you can experience the best of what a place has to offer without overspending. And here's a pro tip. Many luxury hotels offer day passes to their pools and spas. This is a fantastic way to enjoy high-end amenities without the cost of an overnight stay. Enjoy the perks without splurging on a room. You can relax and rejuvenate in a luxurious setting for a fraction of the cost. Now, let's talk about transportation. Getting around can be a significant expense, but it doesn't have to be. Instead of pricey cabs, use public transport or ride-sharing apps. They're often more affordable and can give you a more authentic experience of the city. In cities like Singapore, you can ride in style on their clean and efficient MRT. It's a great way to see the city without the high cost of taxis. Or rent a bike for a fun and eco-friendly way to explore. Biking not only saves money, but also lets you see the city at your own pace. Finally, a word on packing. Pack smart and light. Overpacking can lead to extra baggage fees and make your travel experience cumbersome. Invest in versatile pieces that you can mix and match. This way, you can create multiple outfits without carrying too much. And always roll your clothes to save space. This simple trick can make a huge difference in fitting everything into your suitcase. So there you have it. With these tips, you can enjoy a luxurious travel experience without the luxury price tag. Luxury travel on a budget is totally doable with a little planning and creativity. It's all about making smart choices and knowing where to look for deals. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the experiences you collect. Happy travels. Go out there and make some unforgettable memories. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, safe travels. May your journeys be filled with adventure and joy.